Gratitude is the golden frame in which to live life abundantly. Hi, this is Reginald Kuakaru. What does golden frame mean? It means that when you can view your life from a place of recognizing what you can be grateful for, then you're framing life in a way that will bring more of what you're grateful for. If you watch my video titled, How Can I Create More Income in My Life?, then you've been introduced to the idea of priming the pump. If you've not watched that video, then you should watch it right after this one. The idea of a golden frame of gratitude is a powerful way of practicing the idea of priming the pump. Priming the pump is an analogy to give you an idea of how to practically access universal law. Kemetic spirituality is about living in a way that is consistent every day. It's not trying to follow rules as we had to do with Christianity, which caused you to feel confined or confused. Kemetic science is about your way of being. The universe is a part of you, and you have the ability to tap into it in ways that many would describe as magical. I talked about priming the pump in terms of money, but it's not just about money. It's a technique to access the universe in a way that will help you manifest your desires, any desire. The technique is about giving gratitude for a little that will send out a signal to the universe for what it needs to send back to you. What it does send back is amplified. Give gratitude for receiving love, for having good health, for a beautiful day of sun. Frame your experience from a place of gratitude and your life will be filled with all that you're grateful for. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with anyone that will be consciously elevated and vibrationally uplifted by this.